Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today when we are going to talk about this Tecno phone guys, RAM and storage guys, how can we check in Tecno mobile guys? You want to check guys your phone RAM and storage, so how can you check? Today I will show you in this video guys. So before starting video fan, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. First of all guys, we will turn on guys our phone setting. So after on phone setting guys, you will have to click on guys this my phone setting guys. So guys, we will tap on guys my phone setting guys, tap here and then scroll it. So friends, you can see this tab of setting. So friends, you can see guys this RAM setting, and guys you can see storage setting, and friends tap here, and friends you can see guys the storage setting is tap here. So once you can see guys your total RAM 4 GB, available 1.61 GB, and as you can see internal storage total space 64 GB, available 40.97 GB guys. You can check your RAM and storage from here in your Tecno phone guys. So I hope friends we have understood how to check internal storage and guys RAM setting. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys, we will meet on next video, bye bye friends.